Hello, this is EGK, and we are going to find the cave today that we need with the handiness skill. We are going to go into Oasis Springs, and it's by the land grabs, which is right there, and behind Desert Bloom Park. So we're going to go into there first. And yes, it does take a little while to load, so you can fast forward this part if you'd like. Almost there. And this is the cave that you need to get rewards from the events for Nature's Calling also. Okay, so it's where's the land grabs? No, it's behind the park. Here's the park. Behind the park. Wonder if I should have went to the land grabs. I just thought for some reason I found it over here. But I'm not finding it. That's a bathroom. It's not over here. Okay. I think I'm gonna go to the land grabs real quick because I am not seeing it over by the park.